Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not provide that when send a mail of sale, purchase and invoicing, then also print product details. But using this our app you can easily print product details when send a mail. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, their product information in email. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales. Go to anyone and see here this icon. See here this menu, send an email, click on. You can easily see here display product details. Now click on the send button. Now go to settings and go to emails. So you can easily see here display product details. Now go to purchase. Go to anyone like a 10. Click on this send PO by email. Now click on this send. And see here also display product details when send your email. Now go to invoicing. Go to anyone and click on this print and send button. And see here this product details of invoicing. Again go to settings and emails. So display here product details in invoicing and purchase. Thank you.